Bhapa Doi is a traditional Bengali sweet and it just melts in your mouth. So for making this, we will take a hung curd in which you remove excess water from the curd. Now we'll take some mangoes and make a puree out of it. You can take any variety of mango. I am taking Hemsagar. Now in a bowl we will take the hung curd, add mango puree, milk maid, saffron milk, some cardamom to add flavors, and then give this a good mix to get a batter-like consistency. Now we'll pour the mixture into a container. You can take any container like clay or steel and then cover it with foil paper. Now steam this for 20 minutes and then keep in refrigerator for 2 hours before serving. To decorate this, I'm adding mangoes and flowers. And here you go, your Bhapa Doi is ready and it's very delicious. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in comments if you liked it. Thank you for watching.